Thank you for joining me to learn more about mobile app protection as a build system. My name is Jan Sijsmans and I am a mobile app security product lead for Appdome in Asia. In the next couple of minutes, I'll share how DevSec and Ops teams can take advantage of the new DevOps tools and gain total visibility, management and control over a mobile application security release process. I'll also show you a short demo so you can see how easy it is to use a system to create and certify a protected mobile app in minutes, and include all the security, anti-fraud and malware prevention features you need, all without coding, code scans or SDKs. I hope you enjoy this presentation. Stop by our booth at DO3 for more information. Let's start with why you need to take control of your mobile app security release process. Today, no business exists without a mobile app. Across nearly every dimension of use, downloads, time on apps, number of apps used, and the number of purchases or transactions on apps, mobile apps are on the rise in a big way. Asia is a mobile-first economy in many ways. The average mobile consumer uses more apps for more transactions and purchases than anywhere else in the world. No matter what business you're in, mobile is a big part of your brand and revenue. Mobile development is all about speed and scale of delivery. If you look closely at mobile development, you'll discover that systems dominate the modern mobile development landscape. In building, testing, releasing, tracking and monitoring mobile apps, dev and ops teams rely on systems to get the work done and to ensure apps are released on time with the right features inside each app. Here's a few examples. On the left side of the slide is a quote from one of the leading CI/CD platforms for mobile. In their words, mobile requires rapid release and iteration, and they draw a correlation between speed and frequency of release and high consumer rating of each app. On the right-hand side of the slide, you'll see many of the popular systems that dev and DevOps teams use for all stages of release, CI/CD and DevOps pipeline. These systems provide visibility and allow management and control of features, releases, versions, and version control in every release, eliminating guesswork, errors, and complexity in the release process. To be successful, it's important that security, anti-fraud, and malware prevention features not only live in this environment, but be delivered in the same way, using systems for speed and scale of delivery. The security team needs a build system to keep up with DevOps. Whether you're in the cybersecurity team or in a DevSecOps role at your company, you need a system to quickly and easily create a security, anti-fraud and malware prevention model to be used in your apps. Deploy that protection model as part of the DevOps or CI/CD pipeline. Certify and audit the protections included in each build without code scans or pen tests. With Appdome, cybersecurity and DevSecOps teams have a system to select the protections needed in each build with the click of a button or API command. Instruct the Appdome to build the required protections in each app. With Appdome, the system builds the protections into the app, not the dev team. Protecting mobile apps is highly dynamic. Because Appdome is a system, organizations don't start from scratch or recreate the wheel to protect mobile apps. With Appdome, organizations can leverage existing protection templates or build on top of these templates to meet any compliance objective, respond to attacks, new threats as they emerge, adapt and pass pen tests, or stay ahead of fraud, malware, or attackers with ease. Appdome believes that security and DevSecOps teams deserve the same visibility, management, and control over the security release process as the dev teams enjoy in other parts of the release cycle. Appdome offers cybersecurity and DevSecOps teams all the features the dev teams have and more. This includes a system of record to create, store, version control, and audit security releases across Android and iOS apps. A build system to generate and build the required protections into mobile apps, no code, no dev required. Full control over protection choices, including anti-fraud, overlay, keylogging, clickbot, encryption, malware, obfuscation, grasp, and more. Guaranteed compatibility with the dev team systems, including CI/CD, testing suites, crash reporting, and more. Complete security certification, build by build, release by release, to verify and audit the protections inside apps. Appdome's security release management features provide mobile app makers the ability to shift left, creating security early in the build process, delivering security, anti-fraud, and malware prevention features with dev speed, and easing the burden on DevSecOps processes to find vulnerabilities in apps. Security release management also provides more control over the security releases with a combination of mobile protection templates, version control, team workspaces, automated app signing, as well as the ability to freeze and verify security models across Android and iOS releases. And finally, let me show you how Appdome works in this quick 3-minute demo. You can get a more in-depth demo by visiting Appdome at booth DO3. Please do come by and say hello. To build a set of mobile security and fraud prevention protections into a mobile app, all you need is a binary. APK or AAB for Android and IPA or bitcode for iOS. For this demo, let's build encryption, root prevention, man-in-the-middle prevention, obfuscation, app shielding, prevent overlay attacks, and block the use of Magisk and Frida. Let's save this model as our new security template so that it's easy to version later. And now, with a single click, the system builds the chosen protections into the mobile app. Most customers will do this with a simple API command directly from their build system. And remember, Appdome does not need access to source code. The work is done at the binary level. Appdome completes the work in seconds. All that is needed afterwards is signing the app with the right key store, or in the case of an iOS app, the right developer certificate. And that's it. A new binary with all the Appdome security embedded can be downloaded from the product or directly published to the App Store. Again, most customers will use the API to push the Appdome secured app to their ops systems. Appdome's REST APIs are part of security release management. To use the API, you will need a Fusion Set ID. Another critical component of security release management is the ability to freeze a security template, also known as a Fusion Set. Once you freeze a Fusion Set, no other member of your team can make changes to the security template, ensuring that only the approved and validated template is used. Versioning security releases is as easy as creating a new security template. You can see all the different templates I've used to build security into this app. Appdome's Certified Secure Certificate provides you with full visibility into the security release, and it is Appdome's guarantee that the security is indeed in the app. The certificate also shows that the app was secured with the validated and approved Fusion Set. And it documents in detail all the different security and fraud prevention features that are in the security release. The Certified Secure Certificate replaces any need for code scans or pen tests. I hope that you learned the benefits of mobile app protection as a DevOps build system and how Appdome offers you visibility, management, and control over your security releases. For more information, please visit appdome.com.